My name is Alistair Lee. In this short video, I'm going to show you how our customers can use reports and analytics with Adobe Experience Manager Communities to gain insight into their traffic patterns as well as the engagement level for their content. To do that, I'm going to start with looking at the traffic reports we get with our community sites. I'm here in Adobe Experience Manager Sites. I'm going to click on my Community Sites folder to access the Geometrics community. And when I click on that community, I've got access to all of the different pages and functionality we've got in the community. Now this is showing me this in a card view, and when I switch to the list view, I'm able to see some more information. For example, how many page views each of these pages have, the number of unique visitors, and the average time they're spending on the page. I can change the amount of time that we're using to take a look at this data, maybe a 90-day view of things or from the start of this year. I can also add to the data. For example, by clicking on the Add Custom Analytics data, I'm able to choose additional fields that will show up in my report. In addition to these traffic analytics, we can also measure the engagement of the learning resources that you may be publishing into your community. To show you that, I'm going to navigate over to Communities and then Resources, and we'll choose that same Geometrics community to take a look at some of the resources that are available for our community members. When I click on one of the resources, and this happens to be a video, I can choose to show a report on this resource. And this report shows me a complete timeline of activity at the top. The number of views over time, how many times the video has been played, how many times it's been rated, and the number of comments that we've got. So I've got a really good idea of the level of engagement around this particular resource. Further down on the page, I can see the viewer engagement. Because this is a video, we're tracking that video, those video views over time. I can see whether people are completing the entire video or whether they're giving up halfway in between. This will help me optimize any future content I'm creating. I can also use this report to see how people are engaging with the content through mobile devices or through the desktop, as well as the status, whether the people that it's been assigned to have taken the course or not, the ratings that they've applied, and a more detailed view of exactly who's accessed this content. All of this is downloadable as a report that I can open up in a spreadsheet. And these reports change based on the type of content we're accessing. This is the report I've got for a video, but if we take a look at a piece of SCORM content, for example, and view the report for that SCORM content, in addition to the timeline, I've got pass, fail, score results. So I can see exactly how somebody scored on a quiz. So that's a quick look at reporting and analytics using Adobe Experience Manager Communities. Thanks for your time.